Dalai Lama's visit is in regard to a function at the Goa University. If you remember, His Holiness the Dalai Lama had come last time for a function at the Goa Institute of Management, and interacting with young people, young minds, young students. He really inspires them. He is a reservoir of great knowledge and spirituality. So everybody comes also to seek his blessings besides the knowledge. And this is something which is very good for the young students, the people from Tibet who were in large numbers assembled here to meet him, as well as the public at large. You have seen how the people revere him and try to seek his blessings. And I think that is very good for all the Goans to see how they revere their spiritual leader, a leader who connects with the people well.